Blueberry bacon jam is a great addition to a smash burger, a grilled cheese sandwich, or even a charcuterie board. To get started, go ahead and dice up one Vidalia onion and move that off to the side. Follow that up by slicing up a pound of bacon. Once your bacon is all sliced up, you can go ahead and add it into a cast iron pan. There you can cook it for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the bacon is cooked up, you can go ahead and move it over to a bowl. Drain out all that bacon grease except for about 2 tablespoons, which you're going to use to cook up your Vidalia onions. So once you have your Vidalia onions in, add a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, followed by a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Let cook for about 3 minutes. Then you can go ahead and add in 1 cup of blueberries. Follow that up with half a cup of brown sugar, followed by 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. You can start to let that cook up and simmer down, and then you can add your bacon back in, give it a good mix, and let that continue to simmer down until it reaches that jammy-like consistency. Once that's all cooked down, let it cool for a little bit and move it into a jar. And there you have it. You'll have a delicious blueberry bacon jam ready for your next grilled cheese sandwich, smash burger, or charcuterie board.